Welcome to Click for Trivia. In today's video, you have to identify fruits with no vowels. Let's see if your brain can handle the blanks. Let's go! Alright, we're starting simple. The vowels are gone, but your confidence shouldn't be. Let's ease into this one. Easy level. Starting off, question 1. Banana! Here comes number 2. Apple. Let's keep it moving. Question 3. Mango. Fourth one coming in. Grape. Next up, question 5. Strawberry. Keep going, question 6. Lemon. Let's keep that streak alive, question 7. Cherry. Ready for 8? Peach. Almost done with easy, question 9. Pear. Last one for this round, question 10. Kiwi.
Medium level.
Okay, now the training wheels are off. The blanks get trickier and the pressure gets fruitier. You ready? Doesn't matter, we're going. Let's go again. Question 11. Pineapple. Next one, focus in. Question 12. Blackberry. Here comes 13. Grapefruit. Keep it going. Question 14. Raspberry. 15. Let's go. Persimmon. On to the next question, 16. Coconut. 17. You're doing great. Blackcurrant. Here's number 18. Blueberry. 19. Keep thinking. Dragon fruit. Round number 20. Green apple. Let's roll to 21. Purple grape. Next one coming up, question 22. Kumquat. Keep it steady, question 23. Passion fruit. Almost there, question 24. Melon. Last one before it gets tough, question 25. Carambola. Welcome to the jungle. These fruits won't go easy on your brain. No vowels, no mercy. Let's see what you're really made of. Let's get back to it, question 26. Lychee. Keep going, question 27. Durian. Here comes the next one, question 28. Starfruit. Moving forward, question 29. Rambutan. Here's 30. Let's go! Guavira. Question 31. Sapodilla. Let's keep it steady. Question 32. Boysenberry. Keep the pace. Question 33. Salak. On to the next one. Question 34. Gak. Ready for 35? Tamarind. Eyes on the screen. Question 36. Suriname cherry.
Next one up, question 37.
Mummy. Don't blink. Question 38. Pawpaw. Here's 39. Soursop. Almost there. Question 40. Lulo. Let's keep it rolling. Question 41. Barbados cherry. Last stretch now. Question 42. Kapuli. Still in it? Question 43. Yabutikaba. Question 44. Tangelo. Stay sharp. Question 45. Tamarillo. On we go. Question 46. Long gun. Keep pushing. Question 47. Loquat. Getting close. Question 48. Lucky. Almost finished. Question 49. Kamu Kamu. Final question. Question 50. Jackfruit. Let's ease into this 50 fruits. 50 missing vowels. How many did you guess right? Drop your score below and hit subscribe for more brain workouts like this one.